Hi, I'm Al Dunning of AD Tack. You know, one of my favorite pieces of equipment is the big ring running martingale. You know, this is the running martingale itself. I adjust it so it's just short of the throat latch of the horse like this. It's not really made to have the ring way down here pulling the horse's head down. It's more for if the horse's head gets way out of shape, it helps you pull the horse's head down slightly. But moreover, it's so when you pull on the rein and you pick up that rein and you release it, it adds that extra weight for that quick release and reward. You know, another advantage to the big ring martingale is that it never hangs up. When you're riding it on a bridle like this and you pull the rein, sometimes that the ring will go up and get hung up on the shank, and your horse can cause it to panic, even rear up. But with the big ring martingale, it's very simple for the ring to release and give that horse the freedom it needs. You know, the big ring martingale is made by Schutz Brothers and Professional Choice. It's made out of the best leather. You'll like it. I ride it every day.